Jesus said,
I don't know what happened. My face is all big. I must have ate too much breakfast this morning. Oh no! Either that or I put too much nuts in my cakes when I was gathering my nuts this morning. Must have put too much nuts in my cheeks this morning. What do you think, Adam? You think I got too much nuts in there? I don't like my face this chubby. I must have ate too much. Mama looks chubby today, Olivia.
oh, remember Jared? He was funny on this.